How would you deal with a customer that has Alzheimer? Just when I thought I've seen it all, I've dealt with every customer you can think of, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now comes that customer that broke all the rules. We closed a lot of loopholes throughout the years. We changed our terms a lot throughout the years just to combat people who try to break the rules. And now comes that customer with an Alzheimer issue. We're going to have to modify our terms again. Let me tell you what the story is. A lady came in, an old lady, I would say maybe in her 90s. She came in to fix a Verizon 7-inch tablet. How much is that tablet? $30, $40. I'm looking on eBay right now. If you look here, the tablet is $42, $45, $70, maybe excellent condition or whatever the case may be. $44, $14. It's a very old tablet. Every time we have a customer come in, I'm always 100% straightforward and honest with the customer. I told the lady, that's an old tablet. Why are you fixing the tablet? Do you have any information that you want to recover? Because a lot of people, a lot of customers who want to fix old devices, they fix them because they have data on that device. They want to recover data. Like that customer who came in that wanted us to fix his Samsung Note 4. A car stepped over it and the phone was broken in 6 million pieces. And I told the customer, do you want to fix it because it has any sentimental value or because you want to get it fixed and use it, or are you fixing the device because of data? And he said data recovery. And we charged the customer a lot of money to recover data from that phone. We spent time to work on the motherboard, figure out what's going on with the motherboard, and all that time spent is not going to come at a cheap price because we have to reinvent the wheel and figure out why the motherboard is not working, and then we have to buy a screen, and then we have to buy a battery, all that stuff. So I do not know how I got in the Note 4. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, I told the customer, why do you want to fix that tablet? It's not really worth it. She said, I like it. I have my applications. I have my games on that tablet. I do not want to switch over to another tablet and just do what I'm telling you. I want to fix that tablet. Okay, I'll fix the tablet. I'll do what you're telling me. It's going to cost you. The tablet came in for a broken digitizer and it came in for an expanded battery. The battery maybe has been inside that tablet since 10 years ago. And the battery was bulging out. So it looked, the appearance on the tablet, it looked like a broken digitizer and a battery. When I tried to turn it on, the LCD was also broken. So I told her, LCD, digitizer, and battery plus service charge, it's going to cost you that much money. A lot more than the price of the tablet if you want to buy it used. She said money is no problem, just fix it. All right. So for that customer, she has to prepay. What if the customer does not come back? What if we buy the screen, digitizer, battery, we spend the time and the customer does not come back? What are we going to do with that tablet? We cannot even sell that tablet. Who's going to buy a 10-year-old or 15-year-old Verizon tablet, right? Customer prepaid, everything is good. And we ordered the digitizer, we ordered the LCD, we ordered the battery, and I have almost always a phone call while I'm recording. Hello?
This is a reminder to sign up for ELOS Summer School beginning.
School for my kids. So the customer prepaid. We ordered the digitizer, LCD, battery. We fixed it, and the tablet is running perfect. It's like you just bought that tablet. Brand new. It's not brand new, but it looks like brand new. So customer said to call. She does not check email, and she's not good with messages. So we called the customer. She did not answer. We called the second time. She did not answer. We sent an email. Anytime we update our ticketing system, the system will send the customer an email to let her know that her tablet is ready for pickup. And we also sent a text message. 1 or 2 weeks later, the customer came. She said, I got your text message that the tablet is ready for pickup. Great. The customer responded. If she did not respond, it's up to her. We got paid for that tablet. But she responded, and she came to pick the tablet. I told her, great news. Look at the tablet. Look at how nice that tablet looks right now. It means something to her. That tablet means something to that customer. And somebody was waiting for that customer in the car, like a young person. But she came in alone to the store. So I told her, we did it. She looked at the tablet and she said, my tablet was bigger. Huh? Tablet was bigger. That's the tablet. We did not squeeze it and make it smaller. That's your tablet. She said, no, no, no. And the background wallpaper is not the same. Okay. Now, I thought she was joking at first. And I said, that's your tablet. That's the only Verizon tablet that we have in the shop. And that's your tablet. We changed the digitizer, screen, and battery. She said, I understand, but it's not my tablet. So she started to go back and forth, and I realized she was repeating herself a lot. And my uncle told me maybe it's a problem with her memory. So at one moment, she would tell me what a great person I am. I'm a lot of help. And another moment, she would say, that's not my tablet. So I was confused. Which way? Am I a good person or am I a bad person? I told her, I can assure you that's your tablet. And she said, it's not my tablet. I told her, okay, where did you buy that tablet from? She said, from a Verizon shop. She actually said that she got the tablet for free when she signed up for a phone service. I said, great. So they should have this in their system that they gave it to you when you purchased your phone or the phone service. I wrote down the serial number and I gave it to her. I said, go to Verizon and ask, is that my tablet? Or if I can call them, I would be more than happy to spend some time to call them so you can be sure that that's your tablet. She said, okay. I gave her the serial number so she can take it. And then she's asking questions about the tablet again. Can I pick up my tablet now? I said, I thought you said that you want to go to Verizon and check on that tablet. And then she started to talk again how great of a person I am. And I mean, I feel bad for the customer. She's an old lady. I was extremely patient with her. But how do you deal with a customer that has bad memory? Or in her case, most likely Alzheimer, right? I do not know what that young person was doing in the car. She came in alone. It's like that person only will take her from point A to point B, but is of no help to her at all. I opened the door to let her out, and I told her, please go to your Verizon shop. Any questions, call me. And I can 110% guarantee you that that's your tablet. If the Verizon shop tells you that that's not your tablet, I'm going to buy you another tablet from my own money. And she went and never came back. We called her, she did not answer. Emailed her, she did not answer. Text message, no answer. I thought I wanted to share that story with you. And I do not know what in our terms we can change to combat people with Alzheimer. Or maybe we should just leave our terms alone. She's 1 in a million, probably. But I found it funny that she came in and thought that that was not her tablet. And I just want to see what you would have done. Let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next one.